I just finished watering the plants because it hasn't rained in 3 weeks. And now, well, I was supposed to clear out some weeds, but I'm going to do just one part because everything is so massively growing and my hay fever is really thriving in this garden. So I'm not gonna make it too long. I'm gonna put on my gloves. These are all of the potatoes, really growing well. Also here, a massive amount of potatoes. The berries are getting along. The artichokes are really starting to grow. And this is Maggie to cook with. I'm gonna pick a few leaves. You don't need a lot of it, so I'm just going to pick 1 or 2 leaves. And use that when I'm cooking instead of those really salty artificial Maggi. And this is just compost that's waiting to be used. This is the part that I'm thinking about clearing today. This whole section with weed. And those are actually some sort of potatoes. So I'm going to give them more room to grow. Those are beans, going really well. And that's also wheat, but I'm not going to do that today. And this is my mom's section, clearly. She's so organized. Everything that she plants grows because she puts so much love inside of it. And now for the fun part, we're going to look for some strawberries. Right now I'm at the garden. It's very hot. I had to go after work, so the sun is fully out. But I managed to pick some strawberries and also water the plants. Everything is growing, literally everything. Kind of thinking with the climate change, maybe that's why things started growing so late. So maybe next year we should plant later in the season and try some tropical plants, because why not? But that was all. We're going home now because it's way too hot to hang out here, and I will see you later. It's also really growing fast with my strawberries. I have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you can actually smell them. They smell really, 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 really sweet. This one did not make it. These did not make it, but it's okay because the plant itself did not die. It's actually growing. So the next bunch of strawberries are going to be great on this one. This one, the same. You see how they died? But I have new leaves. So I have high hopes. And this is a gift that keeps on giving. It's going to grow again and again and again. I'm not gonna use them yet. I'm going to leave them on as long as possible. This one is really, really, really red. It smells great.